Hi, I'm Red. You're watching Pirate Garage. We're back working on Tim's car. So today, putting the all-wheel drive tranny that I modified with the LSD and the 6-speed conversion into his two-wheel drive EM2. So, I mean, it's pretty straightforward getting the transmission out. So I'm just going to get that done real quick. If you want to come over here, Tim, you can look at it a little bit. I mean, it's pretty simple. I mean, you just got all the case bolts. You got the clutch slave, you got the shifter, you got the motor mount, you got the axles, the half shaft, and then you drop the subframe and pull the axles. And that's about it to get the transmission out. So once we get this thing out, then I'll show you guys the differences between the 2 and the 4-wheel drive, what we're gonna have to modify and what we're gonna have to change. So check it out. It comes with a trim.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, go slow. When I say slow, I mean slow, dude. Okay, hold it for a second. Okay, pull the jack out. Pull the jack out. Hey, just let it go. Just let it go. Thank you. There we go. It's out. Nice. Okay. Now it's time to put that one in.
All right.
It's gonna be fun. So as you can see, we got the old tranny out, the RSX one, and we're about to put the CRV one. The only real difference as far as the motor mounts go is the rear. So I already bolted that one up. It's not too tight. I'm gonna have to put the front mount once it's in, and then once we get it bolted in, then we have the new subframe over there. It's a little bit different, but it really just fits into the same location. Here, Tim, check it out. Yeah, so the CRV one is on the right and the RSX one is on the left. The sway bar goes underneath instead of like looping over, and this part right here is a little bit lower for the drive shaft to go through. So, Tim, why don't you put that camera down and come help me out? Let's get this thing put in here. Tim. See, the tranny is ready to go in. Took a little finagling, but we got everything lined up. See, the motor mount bracket right here is the same, but the rear mount is a CRV, so it bolts up a little bit different. And we were able to get the front mount in also. It bolts up to the front the same way.
Can't see it.
Yeah, here, come over here. You can see it from this angle. See, right under there. Yeah, see, that one's the same. Okay, so, and because of the supercharger, we might have to clearance the subframe a little bit. So we're gonna try to put it up there and take a look, and then hopefully we won't have to trim it. You know, we put some washers on the subframe to kind of space it down a little bit before. See right here. See, these are the washers that we're using on the subframe bolts. They just go right here. And that was actually enough to get the motor to kind of tilt a little bit, and we were able for the supercharger not to hit the subframe. So we're going to try that out right now, and then we're going to see how that goes. So let's keep watching. Having some clearance issues with the supercharger, which was kind of expected. We test fitted the subframe, and it's a little difficult to get it in there. We'll mess with it, but the supercharger is hitting right here, and it's hitting right here, so we just have to notch the subframe a little bit, and then we'll be good. So that's T's job.
Alright guys, let's cut this. That's the only thing I'm good at, cutting things.
Hey, am I good to hit?
So, clean it up a little bit. I'm not touching that.
I wouldn't either.
So,
Here, we got one more notch, dude, right here.
yep.
One more notch.
So always wear your safety glasses.
Yeah, I learned that the hard way.
When people put in a safety glass things online, Reddit. All right. Should we change out the blade?
No, just keep going.
Yeah.
Yeah. Until it stops spinning.
We got
New blade?
a new blade and
Almost ready.
almost ready. Got to plug this thing back in because I'd probably cut my finger off. Alright, let's get some.
Crazy on that one.
All right.
I think that'll work, T.
So we got 2 notches. My Rotrex won't be hitting
Hitting.
anything,
Yeah.
and we can start making some blow sounds very soon.
Okay. All right, so we're pretty much done. I just got a couple little detail things, but it's getting dark, so we're gonna have to call it a night. As you can see right here, one issue we did run into, I'm not really sure exactly why. Maybe it's something with the front motor mount, but we did have to space the bracket out a little bit for everything to fit really nice. There was another guy that I was talking to, and he mentioned that he had that issue with his car. My car, I didn't have that problem, but you know what, maybe I just had a different combination, or maybe I just didn't care and I just rammed those bolts in there. But yeah, we should have this thing spinning all four wheels pretty soon. So the next video, we're going to work on bolting up the drive shaft, getting the rear suspension in, just get as much as we can done. So keep watching, hit subscribe and like, and I'll see you guys next time.